Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll see about the concept of permanent account number. What is this permanent account number? How it is generated? Who will apply it? What are the uses of it? And how to apply for it? So these things we'll see. You can expect a question for section B under section B for the final exam. That is permanent account number. So this is a alphanumeric number. It is a 10 digit. First of all, you have to remember 10 digits will be there, and it is a alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric means it is a mixture of alphabets and numeric digits. Yeah, so alphabets and numeric digits will be there. First 5 digits will be it will be alphabetic digits, then 4 will be numerics, and last one is check digit. Yeah, so it is issued by whom? It is issued in the form of, how it is issued? Is issued in the form of a laminated card. Yes, it is issued in the form of laminated card to the person by income tax department. So one thing is clear, it is issued by income tax department and it will be in the form of a laminated card. Yeah, so who will apply it? So for those people it will be given. It is for the purpose of identification of that person. So in many places, many areas, this quoting of PAN is compulsory. So maybe for example you are doing a transaction that is worth above 50,000 rupees, you have to pay a PAN. Now it is essential for opening a bank account also. So PAN is required everywhere in nowadays, and it is needed for e-filing for the correspondence and return statements with income tax department. Whatever transactions you are doing with income tax authority, it may be income tax filing, getting refunds. Yeah, so any type of work it may be, you have to quote your PAN. So PAN is necessary. Now it is also mandatory for a specified financial and bank dealings. That also we know, right? Now it is how much essential is, it is even to open a bank account also PAN is compulsory, and it is issued under a section that is 139A section of the income tax, and it is applied for all the people who are applying for it through a form called Form 49. So these are the things we should know about the PAN. We'll see it in detail about PAN, its usage, advantages, how it is generated. Now for the IT returns, PAN is compulsory. Already I have told. For every business it is compulsory to get exemptions or any kind of thing. So it is yeah, so some information is there. What and all information will be there? Birth address will be there. Yeah, so all these informations will be collected, like name, birth address, all those information will be collected to issue a PAN. So in the PAN card, name will be there, date of birth will be there, father's name will be there. So these some and signature of the SSC. So these are some of the things. We'll see one example of PAN. So this is one example of PAN we can consider. As I told, 10 alphanumeric digits are there. See, first 5 digits are alphabets, the next 4 are numbers, and last one is alphabetic check digit. So always you have, whenever it is asked, whenever it is required, you have to provide a PAN, you have to furnish PAN. If you are not giving PAN, or if you are giving a wrong PAN information, you are supposed to be fined with rupees 10,000. So we'll see here some of the advantages of PAN. By having PAN, what advantage you will get? Faster assessment and processing of refunds. Now after paying the income tax, if you are paying more, you have to get for refunds. So because of PAN, now quickly you can get the refunds. Now even when TDS is deducted, to get back that TDS with the help of PAN, you can do it very easily. So ensuring tax compliance of the SSC, having different source of income in the same place or different place either in India and abroad. So if you have income in different places in India, abroad, you have income from different sources, all can be detected easily with the help of PAN. So if you income tax authorities, if they put the PAN number, all the information will be available. So credit for payment of taxes. So if you pay advance taxes, sometimes advance taxes, sometimes TDS will be deducted. For all these accounting purpose, PAN is needed. Control over unregulated and unconsolidated transaction. So see, now here some people will do bulk transaction in cash, some people will do wrong transaction. So to avoid all these things, PAN is necessary in present situation, and it is made compulsory to have PAN for all the SSCs. Now we'll see where and all it is necessary, compulsory to quote PAN. PAN is compulsory in many of the places. See, while purchasing immovable property worth rupees 5 lakh or more, you are purchasing land or any immovable property and its value is more than 5 lakh, your PAN is must. Selling and purchasing motor vehicle requiring registration. See, now requiring registration. Now which vehicle do not have registration? Some the bicycles you need not do any registration. Even electric scooters you need not do registration. So other than that, for all motor purchasing, selling, PAN is must. So when you are opening FD account, yes, FD account with the bank of rupees 50,000, you need PAN. Nowadays, to open bank account itself, PAN is compulsory. Now you are selling or purchasing securities more than 1 lakh, like shares, any types of debentures, equity preference shares, or any types of financial securities. If the value is more than 1 lakh, you need PAN. Now at present, yes, it is given here. See, to open a bank account and demat account, nowadays all transactions are computerized, right? So even our stock exchange transactions are computerized. So for that purpose, you need a demat account. Now to trade in the stock market, to open demat account, PAN is must. You have to, when you are doing the payments in hotels and restaurants, lodge. So if your amount is more than 25,000, you have to provide your PAN. And when you are purchasing any of purchasing through DD or check, or if you are paying tax, you are paying any amount of cash, and the amount is beyond a specified limit like 25,000 or 50,000 specified by the authority, then you have to provide your PAN. When you are making the payment exceeding 25,000 in connection with foreign dealings, you have to provide PAN. 50,000 or more amount of mutual funds you will purchase during one day, you have to provide PAN. High-end consumer products, debentures, bonds, financial securities, whatever I told, for that also you need PAN card. At the same time, if you are purchasing for applying for a credit card, or if you are for the registration of a company or institution, for that also you have to provide PAN. So at the end of this particular end, I can summarize you like this: PAN is one of the essential thing which is needed for the financial transaction at present. It is an alphanumeric card. It's in the laminated format, where your name, father's name, date of birth, and PAN number. So all these things will be mentioned in the PAN card. First 4 digits, first 5 digits are alphabets, next 4 digits are numbers, and last digit will be alpha. Last digit will be check code. It will be normally it will be in the form of alphabetic. I showed you a particular thing. Fourth digit will be the P. Here it is given as P. It will indicate the type of person. For the individual it is P, for company it is C, yeah, like that. For government it is G, like that it will be considered. So that is about, and it is needed for many things. If you are not providing PAN, you have to pay a fine of rupees 10,000. Then it is needed for opening a bank account, bulk transactions if you are doing, then it is needed. Or if you are purchasing any financial instruments, then any transactions you are doing, in that case In all these cases we need PAN. So this is what you have to know about the PAN. You can expect a question for section B in the final exam, final semester exam regarding this PAN card. So see it properly, study it, and note it in your book. Thank you.